Hi, I'm Karen Harrison with the Dream Builders, and I am excited to be sharing with you in the 21-day challenge on how to handle cravings. And today, my topic is on handling cravings by handling your emotions. Okay, I don't know about you all, but when I have challenging emotions, I normally go right for the peanut butter and chocolate. Stress that can just kind of get to me at times because I'm a passionate person and I tend to take on probably too much. And then I'm looking at it all going, how am I going to get this all done? And I don't want to let anybody down. And yikes. So I have the Feelings Kit from Young Living, and I'm going to talk with you about how to use that today. So, and Gary Young has some really wise words. He says that thought equals frequency, and essential oils can absorb our thoughts. It's kind of like our thoughts are prayers. So intention is important, and that they're registered in the oils as intent, and then intent is directed energy. When you apply an intent energized oil on your feet, they saturate all your cells within 60 seconds. That's pretty cool. And it stimulates creative thinking and helps push negative energy out of the cells. That's helping and supporting your whole body system. And they can help uplift your mood and help you to feel more optimistic about what you're going to do. So I tried this last night because I was stuck in one of those, oh my God, I'm never going to get everything done before I leave for Oklahoma City for 8 days on Monday for a teaching spree. So anyway, I put all those oils on my feet before I went to bed, and I woke up feeling a lot more optimistic. Of course, it doesn't hurt that I'm going to go see The Lion King tonight. So this is my costume. Let's see here. Well, it's not a costume, but, little animal print thing going on. I was joking with my friends that I was going to wear a warthog costume. Warthog. But this is the closest that I've got to a warthog costume. So sorry about that, Angie. Anyway, starting with valor. We all need some courage. This is one of Young Living's most favorite oils. This stuff smells awesome. Oh my God, it just makes me happy smelling it. I already had some today because every 2 weeks on Thursday, I have raindrop treatment. And if you want to know more about a very simple raindrop treatment, go to my website, KarenHarrison.net, click on the channel or click on the YouTube link, and you can see how to do a simple raindrop. Anyway, I'm going to rub this on the bottoms of my feet. Okay, a drop of Valor. Valor, they recommend, along with Highest Potential, is good to erase limited thinking. We all need that. If we just weren't thinking that things aren't going to work out, we would be happier. I know I would. So it says Valor helps to balance your body and the energies, and it supports the pineal gland, which is the seat of higher intelligence and intuitive facilities. Okay, you'll wake up more self-assured and more alive to start the day. Okay, so love Valor. Okay, Karen Cake says Valor was her first oil and it started her on her healing path. Yes, then Harmony. So it says Harmony oil. Oops, this is backwards. So, all right, Harmony oil. It says to put it at various places along the spine. Well, I don't think I can do that in this video, so I am going to put it on the back of my neck. The back of the neck is really a great place to put it. And if I weren't on this live video, I could put it all up and down, the front of my body or the back of my body. And this is also some information about harmony. Oh, you can massage it into the crown of the head, and it helps to support the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous systems, which gives you creativity and feelings of confidence. All right, that's pretty nice. I need that, some confidence to go address my teaching marathon next week. And then forgiveness. Well, we all have forgiveness issues. Well, at least I do. You know, I mean, we're all human. I have to forgive myself for things like, you know, I saw a client 6 weeks ago and then totally forgot that I'd seen her. Yikes, embarrassing. I hope she didn't take it personally. It's just me. I apparently need some more brain support. Okay, Angie says, does the audience have to be compliant? You mean, do you have to behave? Yes, and you have to be FDA compliant. Yes, you do. So, all right, forgiveness oil. Apply forgiveness around the navel with the right hand going clockwise several times. All right, well, you can't see my navel, so I can do that. I'm going to rub it around my navel. And this one smells good. All right, so think of situations where you need to forgive yourself and others. You know, beating ourselves up and hoping that we're going to do better and feel better is just crazy. You know, that's not going to work. We need to lift ourselves up. You know, we need to tell ourselves positive things, you know, that I am being supported. The divine supports me in everything that is mine to do. I can easily accomplish all that is mine to do. And if I can't easily accomplish it, it wasn't mine to do, I guess. Okay. Yes, valor supports healthy mood. Yeah, thank you, Karen. Uh-oh. Angie, we don't mention, okay, all right. All right, now, forgiveness. Well, these notes go on about forgiving yourself, forgiving the other person for any pain that they caused you, and give the other person permission to forgive you. You know, see the good in the situation, be thankful for the experience, and be thinking about, okay, how has this situation made me a better person? That's what I like to think about. How am I better, not bitter, you know, as a result of whatever happened? I always figure people are doing the best they can, given their resources, their mental health, their body, you know, their brain, their psychology, their finances. And if they're not treating you well, you know, it's issues that they have within themselves, you know, quite often. Okay, repeat as often as necessary to help clear the feelings of unforgiveness. That's a good one. And then release. All right. I like a release a lot. I use it a lot, you know, to help people with all sorts of things, like particularly heartache. You know, people come to see me for help and, you know, they've got broken hearts. Release over the front and the back of the heart area is really awesome. All right, so let's see where it says, okay, rub release over the liver area. All right, and I think I'm just going to tell myself, I love my liver. I just love to say that because it's so fun. I love my liver. I love my kidneys. I love my gallbladder. I love my lungs. I love my whole body. I appreciate all my organs. So rub some release over your liver and drink a lot of water to help you release and let go of whatever it is that you need to let go of. Then now we're going to put some present time. It says rub it, put some in your hand. Okay, here's present time. Put some in your hand. This one just smells really good. Karen Cake says, yes, I love my liver, I love my kidneys, I love my lungs. All right, so I'm going to rub this, and now I'm going to apply it to my thymus. The thymus should be right around here, I never took an anatomy class, so I don't really know, but I think it's, you know, like right around here. Thymus, must be. I've heard of the thymus thump. All right, present time. And yeah, that helps you stay focused on your task. And I was reading another book on emotions and essential oils. And for overwhelm, which tends to be my little bugaboo, you know, that I go to, the little affirmation is something about being focused. Oh, I focus my energy. That's what it is. I focus my energy. You know, because if we're multitasking, our energy is going here and there, and we're thinking thoughts about all these different things, and we're scattered, you know, and then we don't feel good. So instead, bring the focus back to present time, focus, and then I can accomplish one thing at a time when I focus. And then inner child. Ooh, that's a good one. All right, here we go. Inner child. So I am going to apply a drop of this. It says one of the areas you can do is your head, you know, up here on your forehead. That'd be another place. I think I really like this one. I think I'm going to put it behind my ears too. Okay. I'm going to smell really good for Lion King tonight. Grr. Okay. All right. All right. Now I need release to let go of my negative feelings when I must be so creative. Okay, that's a good one. So now my lovely notes here say that try doing this procedure morning and night for 30 days to transform how you're going to feel. And it says you'll feel enthusiastic, you'll be full of excitement, and people will be drawn to you like a magnet. So to me, that means that they're going to be drawn to me, bringing all the resources that I need, you know, like more assistance with all my administrative tasks so that I can be about writing and teaching, which is what I really want to do. Can't delegate that, okay? Delegate everything else. All right. Yes, Valor works great for emotional upsets. Okay, well, thank you all for sharing and being here, and you know, for being flexible to be here early. But at 8 o'clock tonight, I'm going to be watching Lion King and singing Hakuna Matata. All right, so have a Hakuna Matata day, and go get that feelings kit. It's really awesome. Okay, we'll see you all continuing the challenge through May 16th tomorrow night. Love you all. Bye.